Dear students, today I am going to teach you some important terms. Those terms are very important and very easy way I'll teach each and every terms. First one, money bill. How to write answer in brief. Money bill is a financial statement in which income or expenditure will be given, and a bill is a money bill or non money bill will be decided by speaker. And next point, money bill only can be originated in Lok Sabha. So 3 points. So first one I have taught you money bill. Second one, budget. Budget is a financial statement in which income and expenditure of coming years has been mentioned, and budget can be originated only in Lok Sabha. Only 2 points you write, that is enough. And now one more term is there with reference to the qualifications of the member of Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha. One word was there, office of profit. Office of profit means any person having a office of profit and he is getting money from government account, like salary he is getting, so that person will be known as having office of profit. Next term, secret ballot. Secret ballot, I think you have seen also by media and print media, very easy we can see, because just now Karnataka election taken place, people cast their vote, and UP election also, local bodies election, you can see this one. When any person going to cast his or her vote, so secrecy will be maintained, that person given vote to whom. Means person given vote to whom, that will be not in public. Means nobody will know that you have given vote to whom. Next one, ordinances. What is ordinance? It is a kind of law promulgated by President of India when both houses of the parliament are not in session. Promulgated means introduced. And one more point is there regarding this ordinances, that is very necessary to mention. Within 6 weeks, it is necessary to ratified by parliament. Are you getting this one? Means president can introduce ordinance if both houses of the parliament are not in session. But when parliament will again come and first sitting will be there, after that it will be counted that within 6 weeks, if this ordinance will not be ratified, then it will be collapse, it will be finished, it will be lapse, not collapse, collapse is wrong word, it will be lapsed. Now next term is there, amendment. So basically in your book given changing, in many book given changing, but a changing and not appropriate word, you can say this one, modification of law by parliament. Complete sentence you have to write. Amendment means complete modifications of law by parliament. Now quorum. Next term is there, quorum. The minimum percentage of the member required to enact the business of the house. Meaning, if in our Lok Sabha 1000 members are there, you know this one, in our Lok Sabha how many members are there? 500. So minimum numbers required to enact the business of the house, meaning 500 multiplied by 1 by 10 equal to 55. It means 55 member required, minimum member. Suppose if 54 member are present or 53 member are present, it means quorum is not fulfilled and parliament is not empowered to make the law. Means Lok Sabha is not empowered to make law if quorum is not fulfilled. And with reference to the Rajya Sabha, I think suppose Rajya Sabha 250 members are there, so 1/10 required means 25 members required. Okay, so minimum member required to enact the business. Means what is the business of the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha? To make the law. Means Rajya Sabha and Lok Sabha can make law only if quorum will be fulfilled. And electoral college, I have taught you electoral college means it is a kind of voter list in which voters name will be given for presidential election and vice presidential election. And there are two electoral colleges in our country. First one, electoral college for presidential election and electoral college for vice presidential election. So composition of the electoral college of the presidential election, so in which you have to learn like this one: all elected member of the both houses of the parliament will be very much permitted, and all state assemblies, all elected member of the all state assemblies including Delhi and Pondicherry. Only this much you'll write. Then composition of electoral college of the president of India will be over. Now vice president of India, composition of electoral college composition of the vice president of India. Answer will be there. All member elected and nominated both are very much permitted to cast their vote in vice presidential election. Only this much you write, you will get marks. Now two more words are there, that is very very important. Summon the house and prorogue the summon the session and prorogue the session. What do you mean by summon? Summon means calling, and each and every year president will call session. President will invite member of parliament, you come. So that is known as session. Summon. Summon means invitation by President of India, and session will be started. Clear? So what is prorogation? Prorogation means termination of the session. Meaning, suppose monsoon session is going on and it will be prorogued. Means now monsoon session will be over and now it will come. It will not start this year. It will come again now. Year not means, suppose we can see this one, that prorogation means termination of the session. Meaning, suppose session is going on, any session, suppose winter session going on, and suppose only 20 days session, okay, going on, and after that it has been prorogued. It has been prorogued means now session will be over. Clear? So it means winter session will be not there now, other session can be started, but this session will be over. And two more point, bill. I have taught you, dear students, what is proposal, what is bill, and how bill will be law. I have taught you a bill can be originated either house of the parliament. When a bill will be introduced in the either house of the parliament, this will be known as bill. Earlier it was proposal, but when it will be introduced in the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, it will be bill. And when bill will be passed by Lok Sabha, then it will go to Rajya Sabha. If Rajya Sabha will also ratify it, then it will go to President chamber. If President will make signature, then it will be law. Okay. And I think last word is there, that is unicameral and bicameral. Unicameral means single chamber of legislation, and bicameral means double chamber of two chamber of legislation, like India, America, England. Okay, India Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha, bicameral. England House of Common, House of Lords, bicameral. And USA House of Representative and Senate. Means England, India, and America, both are, all three are having bicameral legislature. Okay, and if any country having unicameral, means only one chamber of legislation, uh, example we can say this one, Israel will be there. Okay, so the Israel having say, unicameral. So you can see, you can check from net also ki how many unicameral and bicameral. So you should understand that term. Okay, so only today this much. Next day I'll come with another video. Thank you.